Hello! The other day I looked through a couple of photo albums full of pictures from when I was a little kid. One of these pictures really piqued my interest. This is the monkey I had as a child. This picture was taken on a one-time use camera. When I was about 6 years old, I decided to paint this picture. First, I put a neutral color on the canvas. This will help me see better in context what colors look like when I put them on. I used Geneva oil paints to paint this picture. I start out using the brown color to sketch what I want to paint. This is because a dark paint is easier to brighten than it is for a light paint to be darkened. Down in the corner you can see the sped up footage from the whole painting. I'm sorry about the glare, that's just how it is for now. Here you can see me sketch in a lot of the details, which makes it easier for me to place the colors later. I start by doing all the darkest colors in the painting before moving on to any highlights. As you can see, I'm now doing brown. I will soon move on to purple, green and yellow before I start adding highlights to any of those colors. Now we are getting to the highlights, and you can already see the painting start to pop. These flowers are just about the brightest things in this painting, except for the highlights on the glass. Here you can see the full painting. Here is the recording setup I have currently. I use paper to soften the lights. It's not the best, but it does the job. Here I'm putting on the final highlights on the glass, which are the brightest points, and then I sign the painting. Here is the final painting. I hope you liked the video. Please check out my Instagram, which is on screen right now and down in the description.